To determine the size of plant, in formula you can see if the value of cell reference D19 is equal to 4 or greater than 4, then function will return large size in a given cell. In other words, you can say if the value is 2 in cell reference D19, then function will return large size in a given cell. If the value in cell reference D19 is less than 4 or is not equal to 4, then function will return median size in a given cell. In other words, you can say if the value is false in a cell reference D19, then function will return median size in a given cell. Now, active a cell E19. In Formulas tab, click Logical button. Select if function from the list, the function arguments dialog box. In Logical Test box, select the cell reference D19. Type greater than sign, press equal sign, type 4. Press tab key. Type large in a value if true box. Again press tab key. Type median in a value if false box. Click OK. Now you can see function returns the size of plant is median because the value of cell reference D19 is not equal to 4 or greater than 4. In other words, you can say the value of cell reference D19 is false. That is the reason function returns size of plant is median. Activate cell E19. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Now, activate cell E21. Function returns size of plant is large because value in cell reference D21 is true. Now, to determine picking of tomatoes is ripened or not ripened, in formula you can see if the text of cell reference F19 is equal to red, then function return ripened in a given cell. If the text of cell reference F19 is not equal to red, then function will return text not ripened. In other words, you can say if the value is false, then function return not ripened text in a given cell. So activate cell G19. In Formulas tab, click the Logical button. Select the if function from the list. In Logical Test box, select the cell reference F19. Press equal sign, inverted comma, type red, inverted comma, press tab key, type ripened, press tab key, not ripened, click OK. Now you can see function return not ripened in a cell G19 because the text of cell reference F19 is not equal to ripened. Again activate cell G19. Move your cursor at right vertical border bottom edge. Double click. Function returns ripened text in a cell G20 because the text of cell reference F20 is equal to text read. In other words, you can say the text or value of cell reference F20 is true. Then function returns ripened in a given cell. Similarly, to check the maturity of tomatoes plants, activate cell I19. In formula you can see if the value of cell reference H19 is equal or greater than 60, then function returns yes in a given cell. If the value of cell reference is less than 60 or it is not equal to 60, then function return not in a given cell. So, in formulas tab, click the logical button. Select the if function from the list. In logical test box, select the cell reference I19. Type greater than sign, press equal sign, type 60. Press tab key, type yes. Again press tab key, type not in value if false box. Click yes. Function returns yes in a given cell because the value in a cell reference I19 is true or equal or greater than 60. Now activate cell I19. Double click to paste the formulas in other cell. In cell reference I20 you can see function returns not because the value of cell reference H20 is false or the value of cell reference H20 is not equal to 60. So function returns not in a given cell. That is the reason function returns not in a cell I20. Remember, always type text in inverted comma in a logical test box. If you do not type text in inverted comma, then function returns error.